Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, we are solving the important questions which are previously asked in competitive exams, and these questions are helpful for preparing next competitive exams like SSC, RRB, NTPC, NTPS, PC, and PCS, as well as NTA NET, CTET, KVS, NVS, DSSB, ISRO, such type of exams. Okay. Uh, so guys, we starts the questions. Question is, momentum for change, climate natural now, is an initiative launched by. Okay, listen carefully. Momentum for change, climate natural now, is an initiative launched by. Option A is the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. Option B is the UNEP Secretariat. Option C is the UNFCCC Secretariat. And option D is the World Meteorological Organization. So friends, your question correct is option B, C. Okay, so option C will be the correct answer. Clear? Means momentum for change, climate natural now, is an initiative launched by the UNFCCC Secretariat. Okay, so option C will be the correct answer. Next question is, with reference to educational institutions during colonial rule in India, consider the following pairs. Okay, institution and founder. Statement 1, Sanskrit College at Banaras, founder by founded by, or you can say founder, William Jones. Okay, next institution is Kolkata Madrasa, founder is Warren Hastings. Okay, next, for Fort William College, founder is Arthur Wellesley. Which of the pairs give above is our correct statement? Okay, option A 1 and 2, option B 2 only, option C 1 and 3 only, option D 3 only. So friends, your correct answer is option 2, means statement 2 only. Okay, it means Kolkata Kolkata Madrasa, founded by Warren Hastings. Okay, so option B will be the correct answer. Okay, so friends, your next question is, consider the following pairs. First list is regions sometimes mentioned in the news, and second list is country. Okay, so first, Catalonia, okay, the country related to Spain. Second is Crimea, country related to Hungary. Next is Mindanao, and country related to Philippines. Next is Oromia, and country related to Nigeria. Okay, which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? Okay, option 1, option A is 1, 2 and 3, option B 3 and 4, option C 1 and 3 only, option D 2 and 4 only. So friends, your correct answer is option C will be the correct answer. Okay, so option C will be correct. Clear? So friends, your next question is, why is a plant called Prosopis juliflora often mentioned in the news? Okay, option A is its eggs. Its extract is widely used in cosmetics. Option B, it tends to reduce the biodiversity in the area in which it grows. Option C, its extract is used in the synthesis of pesticides. Okay, Next is none of these. Okay, so friends, your correct answer will be the option number B. Option B is the correct. Okay, it means Prosopis juliflora tends to reduce the biodiversity in the area in which it grows. Okay, so option B will be the correct. Okay, next question. Consider the following statements. Statement number 1. Most of the world's coral reefs are in tropical waters. Next is more than 1/3 of the world's coral reefs are located in the territories of Australia, Indonesia, and Philippines. Statement number 3 is coral reefs host far more number of animal phyla than those hosted by tropical rainforests. Okay, which of the following given above is our correct statement? Okay, so option A is 1 and 2 only, option B is 2 only, option C is 2 and 3, 1 and 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3 only. So here option D will be the correct answer, means statement 1, 2 and 3 are corrected. Okay, means all statement 1, 2 and 3 all are the correct answers. Okay, hence option D will be the correct. Your next question is, consider the following statements. Human capital formation as a concept is better explained in terms of a process which enables. Statement 1 is individuals of a country to accumulate more capital. Statement 2 is increasing the knowledge, skill levels and capacities of the people of the country. Statement 3 is accumulation of tangible wealth. Next is accumulation of intangible wealth. Okay, which of the statements given above is are correct? Option A is statement 1 and 2, option B 2 only, option C 2 and 4, option D 1, 2, 1, 3 and 4. So your answer will be option C will be the correct answer. Okay, it means statement 2 and 4 are correct, statement 2 and 4 are correct, and statement 1 and 3 are incorrect. Okay, means accumulation of intangible wealth is correct, and increasing the knowledge, skill level and capacities of the people of the country. Okay, this is the human capital formation as a concept better explained in terms of a process which enables. Okay, your next question is, despite being a high saving economy, capital formation may not result in significant increase in output due to. Option A, weak administrative machinery, option B, illiteracy, option C, high population density, and option D is high capital output ratio. Okay, so your correct answer will be the option B, option D. Okay, hence option D will be the correct answer, means high capital output ratio. Okay, next question. After the Santhal upspring subsided, what were the measures taken by the colonial government? Okay, statement 1 is that territories called Santhal Parganas were created. Statement 2 is it becomes illegal for a Santhal in transfer land to a non-Santhal. Select the correct answer using the code given. Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2 only, option D none either 1 or 2. So friends, your correct answer is option C. It means both A and B are correct, means statement 1 and 2 are correct. Okay, so above both statements are correct. Okay.